Hey you guys, good morning. I'm in my kids' room right now. I just woke up because of the baby, but it's 6:30 a.m. I'm waiting on my sister to get here so she can help me do my hair, and I gotta do my makeup. I broke out. But hopefully I can get cute and head to San Antonio in a few hours and meet Rosali at the Amiga's tour. Can't wait. My crew, Maria, my sister, and Sally, and V's upstairs, so she'll be here in a little bit.
And she's a hard worker. She's a bomb-ass girl. And she'll be here helping you guys, giving you tips, walking around, sitting down. This is like Amiga time. Like this is like the most unprofessional seminar you'll ever come to. Like, take care of my kids. It didn't have to do with makeup in the beginning, but when I saw these beautiful influencers on Instagram, on YouTube, I wanted to learn how to do my lashes so bad. Like I didn't want to pay someone to do them every time I wanted my makeup done, and I literally watched everyone that I'm actually in the room with, and I'm just very grateful to have learned and to teach people that everyone's beautiful in their own sort of way. No one doesn't have to look the same. And so that's the thing that I want to show others, that anything is possible. And that's how I learn makeup. There's a lot of very inspirational stuff, like, you know, like other people's challenges or our goals. And so sometimes when I'm having a bad day, I'll go on her page and I'll just watch her lives and I'll read her posts, and then I feel like better. I'm like, dang, Elena got through that. And like she has babies and she like does everything. I'm like, go girl. And she was born this way, if you guys. That's really cool that she shares her story, because she's always like, it's okay to ask questions. It's okay to look at me and say, hey, you know, when you're born this way, did something happen? And so that's really cool when you're I always tell Gabe, like, nobody has anything on you if you share your story first. Whether it's like the worst story or the best story, nobody's taking my story, so you're sharing your story, and that's so inspirational. And because of you, I was able to do my story video. Oh, that makes me so happy.
She literally just said that, yeah.
Like, we have to support our girls, because like at the end of the day, people are like, well, I don't have money, but you know what? Support is free. Yep. And if you can't buy something, share something. If you can't share it, you know, send them a message of support, like, hey, that look is bomb, like leave a nice comment, because a lot of the times we get a lot of hate and it feels like a lot of hate and a little love, but it's always a lot of love and a little hate. But sometimes the hate can feel a little strong. So, and you guys always give me so much love that I wish I could do that for you guys more, but they're here. And then Elena, where are you from? Austin. Austin.
Model status.